What's up, YouTube? What's going on today? Hey, y'all know what I always say. Can't stop, won't stop, keep it moving. Make sure y'all subscribe, like, comment to the channel. It's Envisions Home Improvement. But today, I'm going to be showing y'all how to cut a radius cut. A radius cut is round in a ceramic tile. So what we're doing is we doing a ceramic floor in the kitchen, and I'm basically having to cut around the island, and the island is round. So the cut is a radius. So today I'll be showing you guys how to do that. I'll be showing you what tools to use, and I'll just be showing you how to do it. Like I always say, you can do things on your own, and I know you can. So be confident, watch the video, like, subscribe, comment below with any questions, and let's go.